Dolomite is an anhydrous hydrocarbon mineral composed of calcium magnesium carbonate. Formula is CaMgCO3 twice. Specific gravity is 2.84 to 2.86. Solubility: poorly soluble in dilute hydrochloric acid. Density is 2.84 gram per centimeter cube. An alternative name dolomitic rock type is dolostone. Sillimanite. Sillimanite is an aluminosilicate mineral with the chemical. Sillimanite is named after the American chemist Benjamin Silliman. It was first described in 1824 for an occurrence in Chester, Middlesex County, US. Crystal system: orthorhombic, Mohs scale hardness 7. Pyrite. The mineral pyrite or iron pyrite is also known as fool's gold, is an iron sulfide. Pyrite is the most abundant sulfide mineral. Formula: FeS2. Color: the grey yellow and metallic color. Luster: metallic. Density: 5 gram per centimeter cube. Magnesite. Magnesite is a mineral with chemical. Iron, manganese, cobalt and nickel may occur as admixtures but only in small amounts. Formula: MgCO3. Mohs scale hardness is 3.5 to 4.5. Strength classification 5AB.05. Crystal system: trigon. Emerald. Emerald is a gemstone and a variety of the mineral beryl colored green by trace amounts of chromium and sometimes vanadium. Formula is Be3Al2SiO6. Color is green. Luster: vitreous. Emerald is a cyclosilicate. Kyanite is typically a blue aluminosilicate minerals usually found in aluminum rich metamorphous pegmatite and sedimentary rock. Formula is Al2SiO5. Color is blue. Hardness varies from 4.5 to 7. It is commonly found in quartz. Molybdenum is a chemical element. The name is from Neo-Latin molybdenum, which is based on ancient Greek molybedos, meaning lead. Since its ore were confused with lead ores, it is called as molybdenum. Symbol is Mo. Atomic number 42. Melting point 2623 Celsius. Iron ore. The primary use of iron ore, 98%, is made of steel. The remaining 2% is various other applications such as powderation for certain type of steels, magnet, auto parts and catalyst. Iron is used in also medicine purpose. Tamil Nadu is endowed with major minerals such as limestone, magnesite, graphite, bauxite, iron ore, minor minerals such as granites, clay, silicon, lignite, fuel minerals such as petroleum and natural gas, and atomic minerals such as rutile and monazite. The details of these minerals are as follows. The first mineral. Crude gypsum is used as fluxing agent, fertilizer, filler in paper and textiles, and keen cement, boat products, and tiles of blocks. Gypsum is a calcium sulfate, a naturally occurring mineral. It has been touted as beneficial for breaking up compact soil, especially clay soil. It is useful in changing the soil structure of excessively heavy soils which have been impacted by heavy flood traffic, overcropping, or simply overweathering. Colored granites. Colored granites in the shades of pink, grey, green, white of commercial value are found in districts of Salem, Viluppuram, Dharmaburi, Dindigul, Karur, Velur, Tiruvannamalai, Krishnagiri, Namakkal, Madurai, Pudukkottai, Tiruvannamalai and Virudhunagar. The commercial varieties of colored granites are Kashmir white, zebra white, tiger skin, honeydew, red wave and desert brown. These granites are exported to European and Middle East countries and fetches a substantial foreign exchange. Black granite. Black granite is the commercial term of basic rocks known geologically as dolerite. It is used mainly as monuments, markers, slabs and tiles after cutting and polishing. Hence, unlike other major minerals where chemical composition plays an important role in the end use, black granite is concerned with the physical characteristics such as color, grain, size, texture, presence or absence of natural impurities. If the material is more fine grained with uniform texture and color backgrounds, the value increases. Black granite deposits of export quality are located in Dharmaburi, Viluppuram, Salem, Erode, Vellore, Krishnagiri and Tiruvannamalai. The commercial varieties of black granite are Dharmaburi black, Kunnam black, Paittur black. Beach sand minerals means economy heavy minerals found in terry or beach sands, which are classified as atomic mineral as per MMDR Amendment Act 2015 and AMCR Act 2016. The beach sand minerals in Tamil Nadu contain titanium bearing minerals, rutile, leucoxene and non-titanium bearing minerals. Silimite in Thuthukudi, Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram, Pudukkottai, Tiruchirappalli, Thanjavur, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Kadalur and Kanchipuram districts. Oil and natural gas. The explorations for hydrocarbons, especially the oil and natural gas deposits in sedimentary basins of Tamil Nadu by ONGC Limited, since late 1950s has emerged the state as one of the key oil provinces of India. The Kaveri Basin extending along the east coast of India spread in Thiruvarur, Nagapattinam, Ramanathapuram, Thanjavur, Kadalur and Pudukkottai of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry state and Karaikal. UT has been identified as one of the potential area for exploration and exploitation of oil and natural gas. Reaction with quaternary amine forms a product called amine treated lignite ATL, which is used in drilling mud to reduce fluid loss during drilling. An environmentally beneficial use of lignite can be found in its use in cultivation and distribution of biological controlled microbes that surplus plant disease causing microbes. Magnesite. The mineral magnesium carbonate MgCO3, a member of calcite group of carbonate minerals that is a principal source of magnetism. The principle is formed as an alteration product from magnesium rich rocks or through the action of magnesium contained solutions upon calcite. uses. Magnesite is used as refractory material, a catalyst and filler in production of synthetic rubber, and a material in the preparation of magnesium chemicals and fertilizers.